Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. I hope everyone is having a great week or weekend depending on when I post this video and when you actually watch it. So today I'm talking about skincare. And I don't know about all of you, but because of the COVID and us wearing masks, I have not been putting on as much makeup. I have not been putting on as much makeup, but I still do my full morning and nighttime routine. So I use all my moisturizers and all my normal facial things that I normally do. Just I don't wear as much makeup as I normally do. So today I am going to review a product that was sent to me, and this is Duvolle Sonic Facial Brush. I have reviewed their products in the past, and I reviewed a brush. I will link that video above that had the different skincare heads on this. This one though is nicer. It's more portable, and you just need to use it for like a minute and it's done. So do you want to see what it's all about? Give me a minute. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this channel, if you like the content, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. And if you really like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. And I've met so many wonderful YouTubers just from being on YouTube. So again, this was sent to me for a review. And I do have a link where you can save like 70% on this product. And I did get the pink one. I'm not sure how many colors that this comes in, if it only comes in pink, but it does have the USB charger, so you don't have to carry the lanky cords around. I did get a really nice makeup bag. I think it was from Luxury Divas months ago, and that's what I keep all my cords in for all my phones and the car and everything. So I just keep this in that bag, and there's so many that actually kind of work with it. So this is the size of the brush. So it's not very big. Again, you can just slip it in a bag. You could take it on vacation if you work for business. It's just a nice, sleek, and then you just put this in there and you charge it, and that's it. No batteries necessary. And I wish you could feel how soft this is. It's just so soft on your skin. And all you have to do, and I'm not sure if this is charged. I didn't check that out yet. So give me 1 second. Okay, so it is charged. So when I do the demonstration, I'm good to go. But what's nice about this sleek model is it has 4 cleansing modes. So you can turn up the frequency or turn down the frequency depending on your skin tone. And for your fine lines and wrinkles, you can turn it down so you can really work in those wrinkle areas. And it also has to remove the frequency to remove dirt, grease, and all that grime. And I will do a demonstration, and I thought what I do is just do a demonstration. I brought some makeup with me and makeup remover and do it on my hand so you can actually see how it works, so I don't make a mess all over my face. And again, it has a lower frequency to hit that fine lines and wrinkles, and especially with us elderly people, and really work that in. You can use this in the shower. So it has that, let me get the name of what they call that. It is material food grade silicone, waterproof IPX7. So again, that's how you can use this in the shower. You can use it in the sink at night. But I'm going to turn it on. You can probably barely hear it. There's the on button. And it says you can just press the button and it does the different speeds for you. So again, I am going to just do a little demonstration. I'm going to put a bunch of makeup on my hand and then you'll see how it works. Okay, so I put a little bit of makeup on my hand. You probably won't be able to see it. And I wet the brush, and I just want you to see there's the like little plus and minuses to make it higher or lower. And turned it on, and I am just going to rub this on my hand. And again, it's very gentle. And now I'm going higher. But it's just so soft on the hand, you don't even know. I mean, you can feel it pulsating. And then I'm going to go lower. Oop, turned it off. Sorry. And all you need to do is do this for about 1 minute all over your face. And again, you could even get in all your fine lines and wrinkles around your face. You can do it on your neck. Oh, actually, it's really good. And that's it. So again, I think this is great. And what is it? Ergonomic, or when you can, you know, it fits in your hand really good. And I don't know if it comes in other colors, but I will leave the link below with the 70% off. So I think it's normally like $99.99 or something like that. But with the 70% off, it comes out to $29.99, which really isn't a bad price. It is a named brand. It comes with, I think, a warranty. I put it over there with my little bowl of water and makeup. But what a great fit for just even travel, or as I said, you just for a minute with your cleanser. So I highly recommend it. I would give this a 4 cactus, and please leave me comments below if you have this, if you tried it, if you have something similar to this. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.